Hi, Jens here. Do you sometimes have problems with your Wi-Fi? Or your printer? Or maybe your kettle? Well, then this video is for you.
In this video, how to solve problems with AI using generative AI as your expert system. What is an expert system? An expert system helps you solve problems by asking questions. We can see them in hospitals, and we can see them in auto repair shops. Expert systems is nothing new. They've been around since 1965, but they used to be very expensive to make. Now you can have your own expert system. Here is how. Use this prompt. I want you to act as my expert system. Begin by inquiring about the specific problem I'm facing. Follow up with detailed questions to better understand the context and nuances of the issue. Continue to ask questions and provide guidance based on my response until I confirm that the solution is effective. See it in action. My car won't start. No internet connection. Tip: give model numbers if you have them. Save time by solving problems with generative AI. Try yourself today.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you have used AI for when it comes to solving problems.